Hi, this is Venkatnarayana from Sonia Technologies. Today I am going to discuss pattern with numbers in Java like below. In first row we need to display 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In second row 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 1. This is continuation to previous video. Please go through previous video before going through this video. We will discuss this logic over IntelliJ, launch IntelliJ and create Java application. First step is we need to read input from command prompt system.out.print. Please provide number of rows. Create instance for scanner class, scanner sc equal to new scanner and pass system.in sc.nextInt and assign to integer variable int number of rows. If you want to display output like this, then we need two for loops. First for loop to get rows, second for loop to get columns and values. For int row equal to number of rows, row greater than or equal to 1, row minus minus. For int column equal to row, column greater than or equal to 1, column minus minus. System.out.print column plus white space system.out.println. We'll execute this program, go to run, click on run main. Please provide number of rows 5, enter. Here we are getting output as 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1 and so on. We will discuss this logic over debugging. To understand flow of execution, put breakpoint here, go to run, click on debug main or shift F9, later click step into or F7. Click on debug main, click F7. Please provide number of rows 5, enter. Here number of rows is equal to 5. Number of rows assigned to row, that means row is equal to 5. 5 greater than or equal to 1, true, it goes to inner loop. Here row assigned to column, that means column is equal to 5. 5 greater than or equal to 1, true, that means this loop will execute 5 times. F7 print column, that means 5, here 5, then white space, column decremented to 1, that means column is equal to 5, 5 minus 1, 4. 4 greater than or equal to 1, true, print column, here 4 printed, then column decremented to 1, column is equal to 3, 3 greater than or equal to 1, true, print 3, then column decremented to 1, 2 greater than or equal to 1, true, print 2, then 1, column decremented to 1, that means 1 minus 1, 0, 0 greater than or equal to 1, false, it exits from inner loop, cursor goes to next line, here cursor in next line, later row decremented to 1, that means 5 minus 1, 4, 4 greater than or equal to 1, true, then row assigned to column, that means column is equal to 4, 4 greater than or equal to 1, true, this for loop will execute 4 times, cursor goes to next line, this loop will execute 3 times, continue, finally row is equal to 1, row decremented to 1, that means 1 minus 1, 0, 0 greater than or equal to 1, false, it exits from for loop. Here we have output like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1 and so on. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.